Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to install the LnAccountant Wordpress theme. As you can see, we are here on the theme demo page. This is the home page, and at the top you have the header, and in that section you have the logo here, and then you have the navigation menu towards the right hand side, and then the next section is the section 1. In that you have this main headline over here, and then below that you have this description text here, and then you have this call to action button that says free consultation, and below that you have the social media icons here that will be linked to your social media profiles. um, and then you have the main author image here. Okay, and we'll learn how to install how to set up this section in this video. And the next part is section 2, which is the main features area. This is the main headline of this section, and then you have the feature 1 here, and then you have the feature 2nd, and the third one is here. Below that you have this main about me section. In that you have this second image of the author, which is a bit smaller compared to this main one. Okay, and then you have this main headline here, and then you have this subheading here, and then you have this small description text, and then you have this read more button that will be linked to your about page. And then the next section is section 3, which is for the testimonials. You have this first testimonial here, the second one, and then the third one is here. The next section is for the video walkthrough. Here you can display a video that will be explaining about your services, all the features or the services that you are providing in that particular industry. And next to it you have another headline here, and then you have some small description text here, and then again you have this read more button that will be linked to the page that you want to show. And then at the bottom part you have this main newsletter subscription area. This we have coded this section using a MailChimp uh, subscription form. So you'll be using MailChimp with this newsletter subscription area, but if you want to use other services such as a Weber or something else, you can do that as well with a bit of code customization. So, and you can obviously email us for the support um, of using other email clients. And then next to it you have this main contacts area. There you have this small author image, and then you have the author name here, website, email, phone number, address, and then at the bottom you have the main footer text area for copyright and all right reserved text and the domain name. Alright guys, this is pretty much it in the home page of LnAccountant WordPress theme. So to begin the installation process, you need to first install the theme files, and you also need two main plugins to make this theme work properly. The first one is Contact Form 7, and the other one is WP page navigation plugin for page navigation of the blog page or the category page or the index page. Alright guys, so to install and do the setup, we have to go to the dashboard first, and we'll start with the theme installation first. And for that, click on appearance and click on themes, click add new, and upload theme. Choose the file, and then after your purchase you'll be having this LnAccountant-theme 3198K folder. In that you'll be having this theme files folder, and there you have the main installation file of the theme, which is lnaccountant.zip file. Select that and click install now. Okay, so the theme is now uploaded. Click on activate to activate the theme. And yeah, this is pretty much it about uploading and activating the theme. Now we need to install those two main plugins. For that, go to add new, go to plugins and add new. Here you can search for Contact Form 7 and then install it here. Okay, now click on activate to activate the plugin, and move on to the installation of other plugin. Again, go to plugins and add new, and search for WP page Navi, and then install it from there. Okay, here it is. Click on install now to install it, and activate. Okay, so the both plugins are now installed. Now we need to set up the home page, as you can see here. So for that, go to your dashboard again, and then click on pages, and then click on add new. We need to create a new page for the home, and for that enter the title here as home. You can enter the name whatever you want to, and then this content editor field should be left blank, and then move on to this page attributes section, and then in that select the home page template, home page, and then click publish. And now go to settings and reading, and then here you can select the static page as home, save changes. Alright, so it should be showing the home page now. Let's see. Alright, so this is showing the core layout of the home page. Now we need to set up all these sections to make the theme look exactly like the theme demo here, as you can see here. So for that, I'll just remove this bar from the profile section first. Okay, go back to the home page. Okay, so the home page is now set up. Now the other part is the installation of different sections. So the first one is logo. For that, go to your appearance and customize. Okay, this is the main theme option panel, and here you can do all the customizations and the setup of all those different sections, as you can see on the theme demo. The first one is logo. For that, go to your header settings, click on that, and then here you can upload the logo image. So I've already downloaded the logo image, so I'll just upload that. Go to the file location, and no, I have not downloaded it. I'll just download it quickly and upload it from the theme demo. Okay, alright, so I'll select that now. There you go. Choose image and then save and publish. So it should be showing on the home page now. There you go. Alright, so now the next part is the navigation menu, as you can see here. So for that, you need to set up all these pages first, and then later on you can add content to those pages. So I'll just quickly create all these pages one by one and assign them to the menu. So the first one is about. Go back to the dashboard and create a new page. Name it as about, or anything else, whatever you want to show there. I'll just randomly type anything, and then click publish. Okay, so I'll just create all these pages one by one fast. Financial planning, and then publish. The next one is tax planning. Publish. And then you have saving solutions. Publish. And you have blog and contact. Okay, so the next one is blog. To set up the blog page, you need to select the blog template. So I was going to create a separate video for that, but since it is pretty easy, so I'll just cover that part in this video only. So create a new page, name it as blog, and then here select the blog page template, and then click publish. Alright, so the blog page will be showing your latest post, and then the next one is contact. Name it as contact, and then leave this in fact you have to, I mean, if you want to show some text over here, you can do that. For instance, please use the contact information provided below to get in touch with us. Okay, if you want to center align this text description, you can click on visual and then select that and click on align center. That will align it in the center, and then go to templates here and then select the contact page template. Alright, so all these pages are now set up in the dashboard. Now we need to assign them in the menu. For that, click on appearance and then go to menus, and here you can see it has already added all those pages in this menu. I'll just delete these two because it is showing home twice in that menu. So okay, so now these pages are now added in the menu. Click on create menu and then select primary and then save menu again. Okay, so it should be showing on the home page now. Let's see. There you go. So the menu is set up correctly here. Okay, so then the next thing is this main section, this main featured section here, which we are calling it the section 1. This is the main heading, so I'll just copy it from here and then go to the dashboard and then click on customize here. Now in this customization section, in this customization area, you can click on homepage settings and then go to section 1, and then here you can enter the section 1 headline here, paste that here, and then save and publish. Okay, so let's see how it looks now. There you go. So it is showing the headline here now. The next thing is this description text area, so I'll just copy that and then go back to the customizer here in the dashboard that is already open, and then here you can enter the description. You need to remember that you have to wrap these paragraphs with the p HTML tag to show it in a paragraph. So as you can see, I have wrapped it up in a p HTML tag, so you can do that here, p, and then close it with the closing tag. Okay, and then click save and publish. Let's see now. There you go. So it is showing the description here. Next part is this call to action button, which is get free consultation. So for that, again, go back to the customizer and then actually we'll set up this main profile, this main author image first. I have already downloaded it, so as you can see here, upload the main author image, click change image, and then upload the file. You can obviously replace it with your own image, and then click save and publish. Now the other part of this section is the main call to action button, which is get free consultation, and then you need to link it to the contact page or any other page you want to link it to. So for instance, it is /contact. Okay, so it will be linked to the contact page of your website, and then you have these social media icons where you can just paste your Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus page profiles. I'll just copy the link from here, copy the link address, and then go back here and then enter the Facebook page URL. In the Twitter, you can enter the Twitter page URL, and then you can do the same with Google Plus and LinkedIn as well. Okay, and then once you are done with this section 1 setup, click on save and publish. Let's see how it looks on the home page now. There you go. So it is showing the main author image here, the call to action button here, and then you have these social media icons. Okay, so the first section is now set up perfectly. Now the other one is section 2. As you can see here, it has this main headline here, and then you have these 3 different features. So for that, just copy I'll just copy the main headline from here. You can replace it with your own headline text, and again go back to the customizer here, and then click on this back navigation icon, and then go to section 2, and then here you can paste or enter the headline here, the main headline. Okay, so the main headline is shown here now. As you can see, now you have to enter the first feature headline, which is saving solution. I'll just copy that and paste it here, and then you have to enter the description text. I'll copy that from here and paste it here. As you can see, it is showing this read more icon. So if you want to link all these features to their respective pages, you can do that as well. So for that, the code should be this. Wrap it with this closing HTML tag, and then here you can enter the page URL. So for instance, it is financial planning. Copy that link and then paste that link here. Okay, so now this, as you can see, if you mouse over it, it should be linking to that page URL that you have just entered. Okay, then click save and publish, and then you have to do the same with these 2 features as well. So I'll just copy this text from here, and then the second feature headline is tax planning, and then you have this credit score management. I'll just type that here, tax planning, paste the description here again, and then you have to enter the third feature headline, which is credit score management, and then again you have to enter the description, and then click save and publish. Let's see how it looks now. There you go. So it is showing this section perfectly here now. Now this next section is this about me. Again, you have this image that you have to upload, and then you have to set up this part in the customizer as well. So I'll just copy this headline from here and then go back to the customizer, click on this back navigation icon, and then go to section 3. Here you can first upload the image. So again, you need to upload the image. The other one is author image 2. Open that and then choose image, save and publish. There you have the second image here now. Okay, so the next part is section 3 headline, which is about me. I'll just paste that here, and then you have this sub headline. Copy that and then paste it here. You can obviously change all these headlines and texts according to your own preference. I'm just copy pasting from the theme demo just to show you guys how to set up these sections. And the next one is this description area. Copy that and then paste it here in the section 3 description. Again, you have to wrap them in a HTML tag, paragraph tag. So do that as I'm doing here. Okay, and now you have this this read more button. For that, name it as read more and then link it. to the about page or any other page you want to link it to. Okay, and then click save and publish, and then let's see how it looks now. There you go. So this about me section is now set up perfectly. Now the next section is testimonials section. You have these three different testimonials. This is the text, testimonial text. Then you have this customer image here, customer name, and then you have this customer's company name, and then the designation of the customer as well. So again, you have to copy this headline from here and then go back to your customizer, click on this icon here, and then go to section 4 testimonials, and then enter the headline here. Okay, and then save and publish. Now you have to set up these three different testimonials. So I'll just copy the first testimonial text from here and then go back here in the customizer, and then here you can enter the text of the testimonial first. Okay, and then you have to upload the first image of the first customer rather, and then okay, so the first one is this one. Upload the image. So the first testimonial image goes here, and then you can enter the name of the customer. I'll just copy it from here and then paste it here. Copy the company name, copy the designation, and then enter here. And now you have to copy the second testimonial text and then paste it here. Upload the second image. Okay, second customer's image goes here, and then name of the customer, company name, designation, and then the third testimonial text goes here. And then you have this testimonial 3 image of the customer. Upload that, and then you have the name here, company name, and then you have testimonial 3 designation, and then save and publish. Let's see how it looks now. There you go. So the testimonial section is now set up correctly. Now you have the fourth section, which is for the video walkthrough, and you have this Vimeo uploaded video here that you can embed here, and then you have this main headline here, some description text, and again a read more button that you can link to the page you want to. So the first thing we need to do is to go back to the customizer here and then click on this icon again and go to section 5. Here you can see it is having this main first section, which is for video URL, then section 5 headline, and then section 5 description, and then the button text and button link. So the video URL should be if you have uploaded the video on Vimeo or YouTube, you have to provide the video URL for the embed code. For that, you can go to the video, click on that, and then here you can get the share code, the iframe code. Sorry, if you click on this share button, it will give you this iframe code. Okay, so the URL that you need to copy is from here to here. So just copy that and trim it down to the URL only. I'll just do that here. Remove all that code, that iframe code, and just copy the video URL from here, and then go back to the customizer, and then in this video URL field just paste it here. Okay, so it should be showing the video now. Let's see. There you go. You can do the same with YouTube videos as well. You just have to provide the embed code video URL. Okay, so next part is the headline here. So I'll just copy the headline from here and then paste it here. Copy the description again, wrap it with p-html tag, all these paragraphs. Okay, and now you have this read more button here, and then link it to the page that you want to link it to. For instance, say text planning. Copy the link address and then paste the link here and then save publish. There you go. So the video walkthrough section is now set up correctly. Now you have the bottom section, which is this newsletter subscription and contacts sections. So the first one is newsletter subscription. Copy the headline from here and then go back to the customizer and then go to section 6. There you have this newsletter subscription headline. Paste the headline here, and then you have this small description text here as well that you can copy or change it with your own text and then paste it here. And then you need the newsletter subscription form code, which we have provided in the theme folder file. For that, go to the folder that you have downloaded, and here you can see this newsletter form code. Open that, open this text file, and then copy the code from here and then paste it in that field. This newsletter subscription form code, paste it here. So this is basically your MailChimp newsletter subscription form code that you can paste here. But what you need to replace here is the form URL, the form action URL. As you can see, it is showing lnthemes.us 11.list-manage.com, and then it goes up to here. So what you need to do is to replace this part from your own you need to replace this part with your own provided code that will be provided by MailChimp. So once you have the main sample form code from MailChimp, you can basically copy this code from your form code and then replace it with this code. Okay, simply just delete this code and then replace it with your own code. Okay, and then click save publish. Okay, so the newsletter subscription section is now set up here. Now the next part is this main contacts. Again, copy the headline from here, go back to the customizer, section 6, go down, and here you have this contact headline here, and then paste the contacts headline here, and then you need to upload this author image. So for that, you can click on this change image and then upload the author image file. Okay, so the image is now uploaded. Now you can fill in all these details here. Author name is Shane Watson. Designation is financial advisor, finance.com, Shane at finance.com. Author's phone number is +1. and then you have the address. I'll just copy that from here and then paste it here. Okay, so now again click on save and publish. So it should be showing here now. There you go. So the contact section is set up as well. Now you have this main footer text area, as you can see. To replace it with your own footer text, you can go back to the customizer and then again click on this icon and then go to the footer settings area, and then here you can enter the footer text details and then save and publish. And as you can see in the footer settings, you also have this section for Google Analytics code. So if you are tracking your website with Google Analytics, you can paste the Google Analytics code here and then save. And yeah, that is pretty much it in that part. So there you go. So the footer text is shown here. Alright, so this is pretty much it in this homepage setup tutorial, guys. Now the next part is to set up the contact page, because the other pages are pretty much standard pages. As you can see, these are standard WordPress pages that you can set up, as you can see in the theme demo. There you go. So these are standard WordPress pages that you can easily set up by creating new pages. And the other thing that I want to talk about is this call to action widget. So if you want to show this call to action block here in the sidebar, for that you have to go to your dashboard and then appearance and then click on widgets, and then you can use this widget in the sidebar. So if you click on this and select sidebar, add widget, and it will be added here. I'll just delete these other widgets. So you have this call to action widget here. Here you can enter these three details: title, message, and phone number. As you can see here, this is the title. Copy that and then paste it here, and then copy the message, paste it here, and then the phone number. And then click save. So it should be showing on the sidebar now. Let's see. So there you go. Alright, so the next part is the contact page. To set up this contact page, you need to create a contact form first. For that, you have as you have already installed this contact form plugin, now you need to create a new contact form. So for that, go to contact forms, and then it already has this contact form 1, which we will edit. But if you want to create a new one, you can do that as well by going here. So I'll just open this one, and to set up this contact form correctly, you need to set up these two tabs, these two main tabs. The first one is form and the other one is mail. So for this form tab, I have provided the code with the theme files. So let's go back to the theme folder, and there you have this contact form code, and you have this form.txt file and then mail.txt file. So open the form one first and then copy the code from here, go back to the dashboard again, and here you can replace it with this code, paste it here, and then click save changes. And then again go back to that folder and now open the mail file and then copy the code from here, and then open the mail tab, and then here in the message body you can replace the code with the provided one in the theme files, and then click save changes. So this is pretty much it in the contact form setup. So as you can see, the contact page is blank at the moment, but if you look at the theme demos contact page, you will see Google map area and then you have the form. as you can see, and then you have this contact form here that we have just created. All right, so to set up this this Google Map uh, this Google Map section, you have to go to the dashboard and then appearance and then click on customize, and here you can go to the contact page tab here, click on that, and then here you have these two fields for contact for Google Map and contact form 7 shortcode. All right, so the first thing we need to do is provide the Google Map URL. So for instance, if you go to Google Maps, maps.google, and search for your location, for instance it is New York, click on this menu icon here, and then share or embed map, and in the embed map tab here, click on that, and then copy this iframe code. Copy this code in a text or a notepad file. Okay, and what we need is uh, the URL of the iframe source only. So for that you need to delete the code, the iframe source code, and then need the URL only, which is till here. Okay, so what you need is this URL only for the Google Map. Copy that and then go back to the customizer again here, and then here um, you can provide the URL here, paste that here, and then save publish. And now you need the contact form 7 shortcode which we have just created. So for that again go back to the dashboard and contact forms, and then you have this shortcode over here. Copy that, go back to the customizer again, contact page, and then paste the shortcode here, and then save and publish. So the contact page should be showing the Google Map and the contact form now. Let's take a look at it now. There you go. So it is showing the New York Google Map here now, and then you have the main contact form here as well. Alright guys, this is pretty much it in this video of LnAccountant WordPress theme. I hope you guys found it pretty much easier to follow.